Not enough people are talking about this, but if most Americans are at their breaking point in terms of affording groceries and basic products, we need to be concerned about the housing market. Companies from Target to Walgreens, Amazon have been cutting prices, reversing some of their massive price inflation of the last few years in groceries and essential goods, as the retail industry has realized that people can't pay anymore. But now the focus needs to shift to the breaking point on rent and the red flags across real estate. Yeah, offices are a ticking time bomb, high borrowing costs and fewer office workers, but that's so well known that the financial industry should hopefully be able to manage through that. But one of the bigger bubbles I've warned about is residential real estate and the Airbnb-ification of the industry. Everyone on social media became a landlord in 2021. They borrowed money basically for free and then bought homes that they were sure would be passive income. But it was okay because people were traveling, moving out of big cities. There's plenty of demand and landlords kept raising rents and making more money. Now we're seeing signs of a turning point that might cause trouble. Travel spending has hung on way longer than most expected, given the state of the average American's finances, but it's fading. And the explosion of Airbnb isn't good. Tying the real estate market to one of the most fickle spending categories isn't likely to pan out well. Anyone watching the housing market should be watching Airbnb's sales reports. Also, many of the loans that landlords took out to buy their rental properties are approaching renewal dates, at which point their monthly borrowing costs will likely double. Massive strain. Not to mention the FBI and the Justice Department just started cracking down on landlord collusion and price inflation, literally raiding landlords' offices because of a big conspiracy. And Wall Street has become America's landlord over the past decade, but corporate landlords built a lot and many are getting squeezed by oversupply. Multifamily home construction has crumbled in recent months, and now they can't even collude to inflate rents. So, soaring costs, waning demand, and regulatory crackdowns on price inflation are a good recipe for residential real estate market defaults. Millennials still waiting to buy their first home might be cheering, but any collapse in the real estate market is likely to have more than a ripple effect across the economy. So, subscribe to my newsletter, stay informed on all of these trends that are affecting your home, your career, and your savings.